Volvo TL, Swedish workhorse, and very informative video about an unsung hero rarely mentioned on YouTube. TL31 6x6 was developed from the company's L395 Titan truck in the early 1950s and entered production in 1956. Designed specifically for the military, the original cab of the Titan was replaced by a strategically functional all-steel type fabricated by Nystrom of Umeå. Standard versions included cargo/prime mover, L3154, recovery, L3164, and fire crash tender, L3154S. The cargo and recovery versions were powered by a 6-cylinder diesel engine, whilst the versions produced for the Swedish Air Force, the crash tender, used a turbocharged version of the same engine, was coupled to a double reduction axles via a 5-speed gearbox, overdrive top, and a 2-speed transfer box. Suspension was by live axles on semi-elliptical leaf springs, inverted at the rear. An 8-ton capacity winch was fitted under the chassis. A total of 921 had been built when production ended in 1962. TL31 stats: type truck cargo 3-ton 6x6, manufacturer Volvo Gothenburg, production 1956 to 1962, power plant Volvo D96AS, TD96AS, 6-cylinder inline diesel, or for the crash tender, TD96AS turbocharged, water-cooled, 9,586 cc, overhead valve, power output 1,150 bhp at 2,200 revs per minute. Transmission 5F1RX2, part-time 6x6. Suspension live axles, semi-elliptical multi-leaf springs. Brakes air pressure assisted hydraulic. Electrical system 24 volts. Dimensions cargo version: length 281 inches, 7,150 millimeters, width 85 inches, 2,150 millimeters, height tilt in place 116 inches, 2,950 millimeters, wheelbase 150 inches, 3,920 millimeters, bogie centers 49 inches, 1,250 millimeters, weight unladen 16,138 pounds, 7,320 kilograms. Payload 6,614 pounds, 3,000 kilograms. Performance maximum speed 45 miles per hour or 73 kilometers per hour.